All right, how's it going, everyone? Uh, this is going to be a pretty quick recap today. I only took one trade, but it was a $526 winner, which is great. And I do just want to put out there too, if you want to chat with me or want to talk or ask some questions, put some ideas out there, the Discord link is in the description. You can join that and put anything you want there, and I'll look at it. And Um, as long as it's, trading related, I'll look at it and we can have a chat. Um, all right, so yeah, up 526 on the day, just one trade on Facebook. Although today I would say, just in terms of trading overall, is a great day to trade. There's been uh, a lot of movement in stocks today. Obviously, the Nasdaq's up like 4.5% or something like that. This is my trade on Facebook. Um, just a pretty quick short. Um, this is just kind of one of those ones where you just kind of understand how stocks are moving, and this is one that I felt actually pretty confident about. You have kind of this resistance on the daily chart around 284, 284.50. And I felt like if we are going to break through that resistance, it will need to have a bit of a pullback first rather than just boom, just break through it. That's, that I would think that that would be quite unlikely, and you would rather see some sort of pullback first, which is exactly what we saw. I wish I had a little bit of better exits down here at around 279 would have been a little bit better, but you can see this is some pretty choppy action that would scare a trader out of the short position, which it did start to scare me. As you can see, I took some off on this candle as it was squeezing back up through the VWAP. I was getting a little bit nervous. Luckily, it did come back down. I got some better exits there, but 526 dollars of profit just on this one trade, which is great. And that's kind of where I'm going to call it because after that, we saw stocks all across the board reversing to the upside. I can show you too. Here's the NASDAQ, which is up over 4% right now. So, um, pretty uh, big, big moves across the board. And so yeah, that's really it. Definitely I'll be doing these lives probably almost every day, just recapping my trades. So be sure to stay tuned. They will happen anywhere between 11 o'clock and 2 or 3 o'clock. It depends when I get done trading. I don't typically trade into the afternoon. I shouldn't, but sometimes I do get in trades um, where I need to be holding through lunch and through those periods of time. Anyway, yeah, so join the Discord. You guys should definitely join that, and then just stick around and be ready for more live recaps. You can put any questions you have in the chat or on Discord or in the comments or what have you, and I am extremely active and will respond. And the last couple days, last few days have been well, today in particular has been great, I think, for trading, especially on the long side. It just kind of caught me off guard. Today I was kind of like, I knew I should have taken a long position in um, one of these tech names. Would have been a good trade. I almost took AMD long right here. I almost went long and took this trade. But I'm kind of glad I didn't because this is just, I don't know, not great. Um, So anyway, other than that, yeah, Neo too. I've been watching Neo move around quite a bit, and it's up at all-time highs right now. So, but again, anyway, we're seeing some good moves. Obviously, the Nasdaq and the overall market is going kind of crazy right now. So it's a pretty good environment to be trading in if you're trading large or mid-cap stocks like I typically do. I haven't traded a small cap in several weeks now, I think. And it's just because I kind of hate small caps, and I can get more into why, but they're very sporadic and unreliable. Anyway, So yeah, some great movement going on right now. And again, if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat or message me on Discord, or sorry, excuse me, join the server and put your questions in there. All right, so yeah, that's it for a pretty quick recap. Only that one win on Facebook today. Obviously, it moved significantly higher throughout the day, is and may continue to. But um, there it is. Okay, there it's showing up. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day and good luck with your trading. And if you have any questions, be sure to hit me up. All right, thanks, guys.